Caroline Grovdal of Norway. They had a decent performance at the European Championships. The Ingebrigtsen brothers getting 2 medals, and Grovdal also got on the podium in the 10
for bronze. But while Tirunis Dibaba has 300 metres to go, Almaz Ayana is about to enjoy the sweetest 100 metres of her career. We have simply run out of superlatives with which to describe this incredible performance. The world record is absolutely guaranteed. 29:31. She has obliterated the field and obliterated the fastest time we've ever seen. Almaz Ayana ignites this famous stadium with an utterly breathtaking, spectacular performance. She is the Olympic champion. She is the world record holder.
29:17:45 as Vivian Cheruiyot crosses the line in second. And Tirunis Dibaba.
Look at this from Dibaba. What a performance of heart. It wasn't destined to be gold, but she's got the bronze, and she does emulate the great performance of her compatriot Duratu Tulu of 2 golds and a bronze. You have to feel sorry for Alice Aprop Nawawuna. An amazing time inside 30 minutes.